Preparations for second phase of Manipur outer parliamentary constituency election are nearing completion, with the Election Commission enacting various measures to forestall unwanted incidents. As per the Chief Electoral Officer of Manipur, voting will take place at 857 polling stations, including 9 special ones, where 191 stations will be solely managed by female polling officials. Moreover, proactive steps have been taken to ensure smooth conduct of polls, especially in hilly regions. A total of 87 companies of Central Paramilitary Forces and 4,000 state police personnel have been deployed to prevent any unforeseen incidents. Notably, following the occurrence of unwanted incidents during the first phase election on April 19th, repolling was conducted in 11 polling stations on April 22nd. The election results for the outer and inner Manipur parliamentary constituency seats are scheduled to be announced on June 4th. Noni district is gearing up for tomorrow's second phase Lok Sabha election in outer seat. The district electoral officer has dispatched polling personnel and police security to their designated polling stations from Noni district headquarters at 12:10 p.m. today. According to a release, there are a total of 52 polling stations in the 54 Nungba constituency, with 47 polling stations will be managed by male polling officers and the remaining 5 by female polling officers. The Nungba constituency is divided into 3 sections of polling stations labeled P1, P2 and P3 based on location and distance factors. The dispersal of polling personnel and security for the 5 P3 polling stations are completed on April 23rd, while dispersal for 22 P2 polling stations was completed on April 24th. Dispersal of the remaining 25 P1 type polling stations was finalized today. Out of the total 29,438 voters of the district, 14,280 are male voters and 15,158 are female voters. Deputy Commissioner of Tamenglong District dispersed polling personnel for second phase poll Lok Sabha election for the multi-purpose hall of DC Complex Mini Secretariat Tamenglong District. On the final day, altogether 332 polling officials, including 36 female polling officials, were dispersed to 31 polling stations of 52 Tamai constituency and 52 polling stations of 53 Tamenglong ST constituency. District Administration Tamenglong and Election Nodal Officer and Master Trainer also imparted training on how to handle EVMs and VVPAT. Amid the ongoing crisis in the state, Tengnoupal district is all set for second phase of Lok Sabha poll with the final dispersal of polling officials. Deputy Commissioner of Tengnoupal district Krishna Kumar led the dispersion of polling personnel from Maha Union Government Higher Secondary School in Chandil, along with SP Rahul Gupta and DLOs. Deputy Commissioner Krishna Kumar further urged Tengnoupal district voters to conduct free and fair election. The district has 78 total polling stations, with 74 normal and 4 for internally displaced persons.